Okay, so today we are doing a video on how, and please excuse the noise in the background, I have children, on how to fix a Samsung dishwasher that is not draining. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, son, my cameraman, come over here. All right, let's check here. Come down here. You want to check this bad boy here. Okay? Can you show them that? They can see this hose with my fingers? All right, get in here so you can show the people. There we go. Better. All right, so this right here is usually the problem. In this case, it's not. I already checked it for tutorial purposes. I'm removing it one more time. Okay, so a lot of time that's clogged up or it's clogged up in there. It's a little dirty, but it's not clogged. Okay, now it's not gonna hurt anybody. Stick a screwdriver or whatever you have in there. Make sure there's nothing in there. Okay, so we know the problem's not there. All right, now let's move to the dishwasher. But always install everything back correctly how you found it. So this needs to be clamped on. So you squeeze and you push it in. And it shouldn't take too much time. Voila. So we're in there. Okay? Bam. Now let's move where the real issue is. So, as you can see, I have this taken apart. I'm going to put it back together. For you YouTube watchers, this is the filter. Ben, I'm making a YouTube video. Please, honey.
Oh, can I be in it?
Shh, quiet, please. All right, so that goes there. Like that.
This stinks so much.
And then you put your little top on. Okay? Like that. All right. So the idea is to have the filter centered with that hole, which it naturally doesn't. Not too much work. Now this thing stays lock and unlock. So obviously, there's a correct way to do it. Now, what you want to do is this. You'll find it like this. Okay? So you'll find it like this, locked in position. So you want to unlock it. Remove that. You want to remove the cover, and you want to remove the filter. Now, in my case, I found screws and all kind of weird stuff, rubber bands down there. That was making it not drain correctly. So, just, for better performance, let's clean this out. Let's rinse out this little grill. And either why not clean this, because it smells. Okay? So, after we do that, also, I poured some vinegar down there to help stuff break down as I'm cleaning this. Any vinegar will work. And then once I'm done cleaning this, I will reinstall it just how I found it, and then I will run a clean cycle on my dishwasher. And if that was the problem, which I'm almost sure it was, 100% sure, the dishwasher should be fine and working back to normal. So, that concludes the video. Good luck. Hopefully this works for you.
And that's vinegar.
Did you let me say subscribe and like?
Oh no, it's still
See, okay. Please subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. We're starting a new channel.
Yeah.
And we're going to be answering questions. If anybody has any questions whatsoever on how to fix something in your house, I can repair anything in any home.
Literally.
Are you filming me or are you filming the dishes?
Yes, I'm filming the dishes.
Sorry guys, my son is a little lazy, but he'll get better.
I'm filming the dishes.
Alright, thank you and have a nice night. There you go.